How to log out of Fiverr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your Fiverr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to log out from your Fiverr account, this is what you do. So if you use your Fiverr, if you head over to your Fiverr and then tap on the more option on the bottom right, there you'll see settings. Tap on settings. And after you're on your settings, if you head over to your account option, you won't find the logout button. And if you head over to your general option as well, you won't find the logout button. Now, that is due to Fiverr not having a logout feature. What you can do instead of that is long press on your Fiverr and simply remove the app itself. Simply delete the app completely. And after you delete the app, your account will no longer be functional. So you won't be receiving any messages, you won't be able to send any messages. So that is how you basically log out. Now when you download your Fiverr again from your app store, you can do that by opening up your app store and searching for Fiverr and simply downloading it back again. After the download completes, you'll notice that when you open up your Fiverr, you will be able to just, you know, log in into another account again or log in back into your account. And that's basically how you can log out of your Fiverr. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.